Hello children, we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 12, Fundamental Concepts and Operation. In this chapter we will study first of all polynomial. What is polynomial? Any expression which has variables and coefficients which are separated with mathematical operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication with non-negative power of variable, that is called polynomial. For example, if I write an expression 4x square plus 3x cube minus 2y plus 1, that is a polynomial, because in this there are variables and coefficients. What are the variable? X is a variable here, y is a variable here. What are the coefficients? 4, 3, 2, minus 2, 1. These are the coefficients, and the powers are non-negative. Non-negative means they should be positive. Suppose if I write 4x square minus 2x to the power minus 1. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial, since the power of x is negative. So we say that it is not a polynomial. Alright. After that, what is monomial? Any expression which has only one term is called monomial. Like if I say 4x cube y square z, this is one term. This is considered to be one term, and this one term, it is called monomial. Fine. Then what is binomial? Binomial, any algebraic expression consisting of two terms, that is called binomial. For example, if I say 2x plus 3, that is a binomial. One is 2x term and second one is 3. So two terms are there and it is binomial. Trinomial. Trinomial which has three terms. Like if I say 4x minus 3y plus 1. That is a trinomial because there are three terms. 1, 2 and 3. Alright. Then what is polynomial? Polynomial is that expression which has more than three terms. Like I have written this equation: x square x की power 4y minus 3y square x to the power 6 plus 19x plus 2. It has four terms, so it is a polynomial. Now if I ask you what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial. Degree means the highest power. What we have to find? We have to find the highest power. Now in this highest power is what? What is the power of this term? It is 4 and y is raised to the power 1 here. So 4 plus 1, 5. Then power of this is 2 plus 6, 8. Power of this term is 1 and its power is 0. No variable is here, so it's 0. So which is highest value? 8 is the highest value. So we will say the degree of this is 8. Alright. After that, we have to do the numerical coefficients. We have to find the numerical coefficients and the literal coefficients. Two types of coefficients are there. Like I have written the first question, we have to find the numerical and literal coefficient. Numerical coefficient is that which is the numerical value. Like here 7 is the numerical value, so we will write the numerical coefficient for the first part is 7. And literal coefficient is this part which is remaining, that is a square b is the literal coefficient. Alright. Like in the second case, minus 4 upon 3 xy square z. So what is the numerical value? With sign, minus 4 upon 3. So we will write for the second part, it is minus 4 upon 3. Minus sign also there. And rest of in the literal part, xy square z. Xy square z. After that, the next question is, subtract the sum of 4x cube plus 2x square minus 5 and 15x minus x cube minus x square from 4x minus 1 minus 5x cube plus x square. We have to subtract the sum of this. First we have to find the sum. So sum is equal to, what do you mean by sum? Sum means addition. We have to add this algebraic expression and this expression. So we will write 4x cube plus 2x square minus 5 plus 15x minus x power 3 minus x square. That is equal to, solve it, 4x cube minus x cube, the like terms can be solved together. This is also x cube, this is also x cube, they are like terms and they can be solved. So 4 minus 1, it is 3, so 3x cube. Is it clear? This is x square, this is x square, they are also like term. It has plus sign, it is minus, so plus minus minus. 2 minus 1 is 1, that is plus x square. This is 15x, only x term, so we will write it as it is. And this is a constant, minus 5. So the sum is this one. Now what we have to do, we have to, according to question, we have to subtract the sum from this. So we will do, according to question, 4x minus 1. We will write this expression first because we have to subtract the sum from this one. So we will write this part, this algebraic expression first. That is 4x minus 1 minus 5x cube plus x square minus, subtraction means minus, bracket, write the sum 3x cube plus x square plus 15x minus 5, bracket close. So next step is 4x minus 1 minus 5x cube plus x square minus 3x cube minus x square. When we open the bracket, all the sign inside the bracket will change because there is a minus sign here. Fine. So this 3x cube becomes minus. This x square is of plus sign but it becomes minus. 15x is also a plus sign but it will become minus 15x plus 5. This minus changes to plus. Now again we have to observe the like terms. See the like terms. 4x and this is minus 15x. So these are the like terms. Any other x term? No. This is plus, this is minus. Plus minus minus. 15 minus 4 is 11 with negative sign because 15 is greater with negative sign. This all you have studied in class 7th. Okay. So this will be easier to you. Now this is x. Now see this term x cube. This is also x cube. All both the like terms. Minus minus plus 5 plus 3 8 with negative sign minus 8x cube. This is x square, this is also x square, again like terms. This is plus minus minus, cancel because they become 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. So this will be the final answer. Alright. Now move on to next question, that is multiply. Now what we have to do? We have to do the multiplication. Multiplication is also very easy. How to do? We are multiplying two brackets. We are multiplying binomial term with a binomial term. So we will write the first term of first bracket 2a and second bracket as it is. Then the second term plus 5 and the second bracket as it is. Now this 2a, when we open this bracket, this 2a is multiplied with 3a and this 2a is also multiplied by 6. Similarly, when we open the second bracket, this 5 is multiplied by 3a, minus sign, 5 if 6 is multiplied. Now solve this. 2 3s are 6. A into a becomes a square because in multiplication, you have studied exponent chapter. In multiplication, the power get added. So a into a will be a square. 1 plus 1, 2. Fine. Minus 2 6 are 12a. Plus 5 3s are 15a. Minus 5 6 are 30. Then all the like terms you have to solve. So you can see this is 15a, this is 12a. Both the like terms are there. Like terms. So we will solve them. Plus minus minus. 15 minus 12 is 3. So it will be 3a. So 6a square as it is. Plus 3a minus 30. Answer. Very simple. Now next question is again multiplication we have to do. Now the binomial term we have to multiply it with the monomial term. This is a monomial, a single term. So this is minus 3x multiply 6x square minus 5x. Again when we open the bracket, this minus 3x is multiplied with 6x square. Then this minus become plus. Correct? Then this 3x get multiplied with 5x. Step by step, okay? So it will be 3 6 are 18 with minus sign. Minus is also here. x into x square becomes x cube. Powers will be added because there is a multiplication. Plus 5 3s are 15. X into x become x square, and that is also the final answer. Now the next one is divide. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this expression by minus 2x cube. We have to divide by a monomial term, a single term. So this is quite easy. We will write 6x power 7 minus 8x to the power 6 plus 4x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 plus 6x cube upon minus 2x cube. Now what we will do in the next step? We will keep this minus 2x cube below each term separately, right? Like this minus 2x cube minus 8x to the power 6 upon minus 2x cube. Are you understanding it? Like this. Very simple. And then solve. Like this. After that, solve the each term. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are, so it will be minus 3. And what about this? The powers will be subtracted because there is a sign of division, so they will be subtracted. 7 minus 3, it is 4. Then again minus minus become plus. 2 1s are 2 4s are, so 4, and power will be subtracted, x to the power 3. 2 1s are 2 2s are, plus minus minus 2, x ki power 5 minus 3 is 2. Subtraction, because all are in division, so exponents will be subtracted. Minus minus plus, 2 1s are 2 5s are 5, x ki power 4 minus 3 1. So 1 is understood, we won't write like this. Plus minus minus, 2 1s are 2 3s are, so it is 3, and x cube also get, so it is only 3. This much. So this will be the final answer. Now the next question is, if suppose we have to divide the term, the expression, by a binomial x plus 3, then we have to apply the long division method. Long division method will be like this. This is also repetition. You have already studied all these things, all these concepts in class 7th also, right? So it is going to be easier to you. Now we will take the first term. We will consider the first term of this algebraic expression. This is x square. Put it in rough, okay? And take the first term of this. Fine. Keep it in rough. Then solve it. What it will give? It will give x. We will subtract the powers. Fine. So 2 minus 1 1, or you can cancel 1. Fine. So this will be x here. Now this x, multiply this x with x. We have to multiply these two. X into x is x square. In multiplication, power get added. X into 3 is 3x. Then we have to change the sign. The next step is we have to change the sign. This is plus, we will make it minus. This is plus, it is again minus. Now plus minus minus, x square minus x square is 0. Now plus minus minus, 8 minus 3 is 5x, and we will copy the 15. Now again the first term of this expression is 5x. We will keep in the rough, and the first term of this is x. We will keep it like this. Cancel. What is left? 5. So we will put 5 here. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply this 5. I'm hiding this. Fine. Only 5. We have to multiply this 5 with this expression x plus 3. So what will happen? 5 into x is 5x. 5 into 3 is 15. Again the next step is changing the sign. This is plus, we make it minus. This is plus, we make it minus. Again plus minus minus, 5x minus 5x is 0. Plus minus minus, 15 minus 15 is 0. So we get remainder 0. So likewise we have to do the division. Fine, this is a long division method. I have given you one assignment on the basis of all these questions. On the basis of this video, you can solve them very easily. I have solved in this video one question of each type. So please do that assignment very carefully. Thank you.